Hello, my name is Matt, and I'm currently a third-year medical student at the University of Alberta. This is another video in my series, Helping Medical Educators to Create Better Online Content. Here's a list of some of the other videos in this series, and there'll be links to those as well as any other videos I make in the description below. So today I want to talk about improving your video quality. I have two really simple, easy, inexpensive tips that can make a huge difference to your video quality, and incidentally they also apply equally to any kind of video conferencing or video chat that you're doing. So I'm going to do both of these tips at the same time. Are you ready? Here we go. Ta-da! You see how much better that is? Okay, what is the difference? Number one, I put the camera at eye level. It's very easy to do. Just get some books or a box or something and put your laptop on them so that your eyes are roughly at the same level as the camera. Most people just put their laptop on a table and stare down at it, and I think that looks really terrible. And it's so easy to just lift it up, right? The second thing I did was I situated myself in front of a big diffuse light source, aka a window. So today it's a cloudy day. I'm not getting any direct sunlight shining directly on my face, but I get this nice diffuse light which lights both sides of my face equally. If you don't have enough light, then your video is going to look kind of grainy. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like lighting from other angles. So this is lighting from the side. It's not too bad, but you can see we get a bit of the Luke Skywalker effect where one side of my face is in darkness and the other's in light. And you also get a bit of this shiny effect in your skin on the light side, which is a little unflattering. If this is your only option, you could use another light source on the other side of your face to kind of fill in the shadow. But the one thing you really never want to do is what I did at the start of the video and be completely backlit. That's just the worst possible lighting. Okay, so that is it. I think you don't need amazing video quality to do an online teaching video. I think if you have a fairly decent camera in your laptop, it's going to be fine. Obviously, there are other options. Here's what it looks like if I'm using my smartphone. This is recorded on the front-facing camera of my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I think it's probably a little bit better quality than on my Surface laptop. In fact, I saw one online teacher got really great results by just taking his smartphone and duct taping it to a window and standing in front of the window and talking. This is the rear-facing camera, probably again even a bit better video quality, although it's hard to frame the shot because I can't see the screen. And of course, if you have a nice digital camera, then that's probably going to produce the best video quality of all. But I think what's going to be most practical for most of us is just to record with the camera built into our laptops. And if you've got a fairly recent laptop, I think the video quality is going to be perfectly adequate for these purposes. So here's some of the other videos that I'm making in this series. Links to them as well as anything else I'll make in the description below. And please comment if you think I missed any important points or you have any questions. And I think that's it. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.